So guys, I had a new microphone, so I want to unbox with you. Okay, I ordered this microphone from Ishtari. Okay, online shopping platform that you can order your things from. Ishtari. I don't know if you can see it well. Okay, so I last ordered for the microphone some 2 weeks ago, and it came, and it's not the kind of microphone for my phone. It came and it was iPhone, and I requested for a replacement. So this is a replacement package. Okay, so I had to add a little amount of money for the in and out, and also for the type of microphone. Okay, because the other one I last the one that last time has just one for an individual, but this one is for 2 people. Okay, like if you are going to interview people, you are going to interview someone, you can have one of the microphone and the other person too can have the other one. So this is for 2. Okay, this is how the package comes. This is how it is. So this is how the microphone looks like. Let's open it. Okay, so this is for type C. The other one that last came is for iPhone, and I don't have iPhone. Okay, I'm not using iPhone. My phone is type C. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is one. So as I said earlier, this is for 2 persons, and this is what you are going to use, the connector, or is it the, yeah, this is what I'm going to connect to the phone. Okay, and then this is what I'm going to talk on, just like this. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to try to see how it's going to, whether there's going to be a change in the audio. Okay, so I'm going to try it. Okay, I'll just hold it whilst I'll connect this to this same phone, and you guys, you have to tell me if there's difference. Okay, see, I did not press the on button. As you can see, this is the start button, and then there's a light signaling that is working. So I believe right now there's going to be a change. I mean, there's going to be improvement in the audio, and we are going to bring to you guys good contents, like good audio in the contents, back to back. Okay, so I'm so happy that I have a microphone now. Yes, so you guys, if you think there is no improvement in the audio, please comment below. If you think there's an improvement, also comment below. Okay, so this everything, unless I check the price of it again, I can't remember the price, but I'll put the price up here for you guys to see. Okay, I'm going to put the price here for you guys to see. Okay, the price of this beautiful dual microphone for 2. Have you seen that microphone for 2? I'm going to put this on also. It's connected, so this is for both. Yeah, so if you are interviewing someone, the person holds one and you hold one. Okay, yeah, so this is how it is. If you want it to be very clear, you can actually place one on your dress like this. Can you guys see that? Like this. I don't want to place my my phone on a tripod. I just kept it on my window. I don't want to place it on a tripod. Okay, so like this. Hope it works. Or you can also hold it like this. Okay, yeah, it has a cord. Okay, it has a cord. This is what it comes with. This is how the cord looks like. Okay, this is the cord. You can charge your microphone. You can connect it to your PC. You can connect it. If you have a charger head, you can use it. You can connect it. Okay, so this is for type C. I'm so happy that I had one that is for type C actually. Yeah, I hope now there's difference. I hope now, dear, there's difference. Gosh, I'm having cold. So what I did is that I had to go charge it, because it looks like the voice actually didn't change. So I noticed that it needs to be charged for a while before, so I had it charged for some minutes. Okay, yeah, so right now, dear, I think there's a difference, right? And how do you see the audio? Is okay? Do you think it's worth the price? Okay, Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye. So just to show you guys my new microphone for content creation, thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe if you are new, and give this video a thumbs up, and also share to your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.